A single bill often has several items, and sometimes you only want to pay for some of them now and the rest later. ZetaFisc lets you do this line by line. You pick the exact lines on the invoice and turn just those into a payment voucher. Let us see it. We record a bill from Lagos office supplies with 2 separate items. Then we add a second line for printer toner cartridges. Two items, 80,000 naira of paper and 120,000 of toner. We save the bill. We open the bill we just recorded. Here are the 2 lines. This is the new part. Each line has a checkbox. Suppose we only want to pay for the paper right now. We tick just that line. The Process to Voucher button lights up, showing 1 line selected. We click it. A confirmation appears. The voucher date defaults to today. The actual payment date is set later when finance pays it. We confirm. A voucher is created for just that 1 line, 80,000 naira, not the full 200,000. Like every voucher, it starts as a draft, so we submit it for approval. Now back to the invoice. The paper line has moved to a Process to Voucher section, while the toner line is still here, waiting. The bill keeps its balance for what has not been paid. And that is line-level processing. Pay exactly the items you choose now, and process the rest whenever you are ready. Every voucher still flows through the same approval and payment steps.